Hey guys, we're on a road grading job, and today we're going to be replacing the blades on the bottom of the grader. So check it out. Seems pretty easy. We've just got some bolts under here, all the way across, and that thing pops out. You can see, check out how tall that is. Come over to that side. You can see that it's just at an angle like that from that crown of that road. So that cordless impact took those things right out, no problem. So now we're gonna get ready to drop these blades. These ones shouldn't be super heavy, but the other ones are like 132 pounds each. So Gary's got a trick to getting it up there. So yeah.
Okay, just take them out. And we'll just kick her off her. Just like that. That's how they go off. Now putting them on is another situation.
Yeah, I can imagine.
You ready?
Yep.
Let's out. Put this through the hole here.
Oh, and then
You can pick it up and stick it in there. A lot easier.